So audio is king on YouTube, which is why I like to use these DJI Mic 2 microphones. Did you know that you can plug a dynamic microphone like this SM57 directly into the DJI and record from it? All it takes is basically a cable like this, XLR on one end, headphone on the other, and you can just connect it right up and talk, and it works great. And it makes for a really good handheld microphone thing. Another option, let me take this off. So this actually works really well too. This is a 3D printed wand, whatever you want to call it, that I'll put a link for of this. And you want to get better audio whenever it's in a noisy environment, this is going to work a lot better. So the question is this going to be better in a noisy environment than this? Let's find out. I'm playing some white noise on my phone, and let's do a test. So if you are outside recording, if you're near a highway, if you're in a coffee shop, if you're in a conference where there's a noisy environment, then both of these are probably really good ways to get the best audio quality. The DJI is a omnidirectional microphone, I believe. I know the Shure SM57 is a cardioid dynamic directional microphone. So theoretically, it should give me the best results from this test. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'm just going to do a little bit of silence as I do the outro so that we can compare the noise floor of each one.